for joining me today on my channel, Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm just going to do a quick video today of just kind of some show and tell. And then my grandson is 12 years old and he wanted us to do a little collab. He's really into Bob Ross with the landscaping and whatnot. So we found a painting or video on YouTube that we kind of got our inspiration from. I'm gonna show some pictures of, like, I just had he's in San Diego, I'm in Nebraska, so I had him send me a picture of when he just got the background done, and then when he added his moon and trees. So we kind of did it. So I have 3 different pictures. This one is mine, so his is going to be, he did an amazing job, so I'm so excited, and it was a lot of fun. He was so excited about doing it. Yeah, so you know, when you have your grandchild or kids that enjoy doing something that you enjoy doing as well, it just makes it even more fun, especially when your grandkids or young kids get very excited about what we're doing. And it was his idea. Like I said, he's so into Bob Ross right now. Like, yeah, it's amazing. So this is mine. I'm gonna show some other clips here with his, like, just like I said, when we just did the background, and then when we added the little hill and the moon, and then we added our trees last. So totally, and we basically picked blues and black and gray and white. So, and it's really cool too to see how you can literally have the same colors yet come out to be totally different. So that was pretty cool too. So here's mine, and I will be adding pictures of his to this video. So thanks for watching. I do appreciate everybody for just, hopefully you guys can show him some love, because he was so excited about this, and I want to keep him interested in art because he really enjoyed it. So thanks for watching, everybody. Keep being creative. Bye. Hey everybody, thanks for joining me today on my channel, Amy's Creative Acrylics. I'm just going to kind of do a little show and tell with some pieces that I have that are for sale. I'll start with this piece here. This is a ring pour that I did. Garnet, emerald green, some gold, deep sapphire. This is a 24 by 24. I do have varnish on this one. I also did these same colors on a 12 by 36 canvas. This one is not yet to be varnished, but it will be. Hopefully you can see this shimmer. It's just beautiful. I was really excited about how well it turned out, since the colors are all so deep, but really pretty, and they look amazing together, but they don't need to be sold together. Then here is my air swipe. This one, I was so excited how this turned out. I used just some pretty colors of pink. I did end up doing different colors on all four corners, which I thought was kind of fun. I put white in between each color, so it kind of got that more tie-dye effect, but this is a 24 by 24 inch. I also have a little small Dutch pour that I did. This has got some color shift colors in there. I don't know if you can see. Very pretty. This is a 14 by 14. Another ring pour. Beautiful blues. Has not been varnished yet, but I need to get all these varnished as soon as possible. Now they've all been setting, so they're plenty dried enough, so I can do that. It's another ring pour. This one is really cool. I really like just the different shades. It's really pretty. And this was a fun one that I did. Matte black on the base. Still needs to be varnished. Did some golden white. Just kind of blew it out and just kind of let it. I think I blew with my mouth. I don't think I used. I think I just tilted till I got it. This one was really pretty. I really am excited about varnishing this one just because that's really going to make this gold shimmer even more. That's a 24 by 24 inch canvas. Here's another ring pour. This one does have one layer of varnish on it, depending on how you want to display it. Very pretty. This blue is amazing. That sky blue there just kind of makes it glow. That's a 24 by 24. No, I take that back. That's a 20 by 20. Here's one of my waves. This one I really like. It's very pretty. I like how it just gives the lines here, and then it's just gorgeous. And I'm not sure what size this one is. I'll have to check the video. There is a video for this one as well. This is just a fun one that I did before I started making videos. I like to do abstract art as well. I do need to do some touching up. It's been scuffed here, but so I need to touch that up with the black, and then I still need to varnish this one here as well. Very fun. However you want to display it. I think it's pretty cool. These are fun to do because you get to be super, super creative with your, you can just literally do anything. I think it's John Bentley is his name. He's a artist on Instagram, on YouTube. He's on Instagram as well. I follow him, and he does all that type of art, abstract art. Does like panels, like the 4 or 5 panels or canvases, and then puts them all together. He's amazing. So if you can check him out, check him out. There's another little air swipe that I did. This is a 14 by 14 canvas. I do have a video for that one. Here's another wave that I did. This one I have varnished. It's very pretty. That deep sapphire is gorgeous. I think that's a 16 by 20 canvas. Here's another ring pour that I do have varnished. These colors are stunning. Very beautiful. This is a 24 by 24 or 20 by 24? 20 by 20, sorry. Here's another 14 by 14 open cut pour. I love how the cells came out. All the colors popped. The copper, the sky blue, the magenta. It's just gorgeous. It's one of my favorite open cups that I did. Here's my little coral reef. I did a split base, Payne's gray and white, and I started out doing a swipe and I wasn't really feeling it, so I just took a straw and blew out around the edges, and now I absolutely love it. I do have this one varnished. It's just gorgeous. If you like coral, like the ocean type paintings. Here's another little open cut pour that I did with those same colors that were on that big 24 by 24, and then the 12 by 36. These are just the leftover paints that I had. This still needs to be varnished, but gosh, that garnet is just beautiful. So pretty. And this amethyst, it's got lots of shimmer on it as well. That one's pretty. Here's a little, I love these types of paintings too. I don't have a video for this. I just took some paints, kind of poured them in a row, you know, and then just kind of started rotating it until I got what I have here. I love it. This is the deep sapphire. Such a pretty color. I love this deep blue. And this one, I think it has one coat of varnish on it. So, and I think that one is a 12 by 24, I think. Here's another Dutch pour. But those same colors, I think maybe I had leftover paint, and that's where I got that one from doing this, because I did this one first. I love this one too. This one's beautiful lacing, deep sapphire. It's just gorgeous. This one needs to be varnished. It looks like it has one coat on there. I think that's a 12 by 24 as well. And then this is the last one I'll do. I don't want to, well, maybe a couple more. There's another Dutch pour. This is the ruby, the deep sapphire, some silver, and white and black. Very pretty. This does have varnish on it already. Very pretty. Just a couple more I want to show here. This is that beautiful split. I did purple on white on the base. The gold is just stunning. The cells are absolutely amazing. I love this one. I have not varnished it yet. I just did this one last week. I do have a video for this one out. Here's this one I have a video for as well. Split base, and then look at Dutch pour. This green is amazing. This is Creative Inspirations emerald green. It's gorgeous, gorgeous the way it just glows. I love it. And okay, I'll show you two more and then it'll be done. Here's another big one that I did. This is the 12 by 36. I did a swipe and then I just blew out around the edges just to kind of give it just something different. It turned out pretty cool. I haven't varnished this one yet. This one's going to be really gorgeous when it's varnished. And then the last one that I'll show today, it's another 12 by 36. This one has not been varnished yet either. The gold and the purple and the sky blue. Just wanted something different, you know. I kind of first did it this way. And then down here, well then after I got done, I let it set a minute and I was like, maybe I want a little bit more black. So I went back and put some more black through here because I think it was actually only here. Or maybe this line was really thin, but anyway, I like it. It's pretty cool. Funky, different. Gonna be really gorgeous when it's varnished, but that's about it I'll show for today. I don't want to keep it too long. I do appreciate you watching. All of these art pieces are for sale, so if you want to, you can just email me at amyscreativeacrylics@gmail.com. Yeah, I'll put all that information in the description. So, but thanks for watching, everybody. I hope everybody's being safe and healthy from the COVID, and keep being creative. Bye.